In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Forms to your virtual appointments and to Microsoft Bookings. We'll start inside Microsoft Bookings, which you can access from Outlook on the web. Open Bookings and sign in with your work or school account. This is where your scheduling lives, and it's the hub that will surface your Microsoft form to clients before their virtual meeting. Once Bookings is open, choose the booking page you want to work with. If you manage multiple calendars or departments, make sure you're on the correct page so the form shows up for the right audience. Think of the booking page as the public-facing site your customers see. That's why we'll connect the form here. Next, head to the Services area. This is where each appointment type is configured. Things like duration, online meeting settings, and notifications. Select the specific service you want to update. For example, you might have initial consultation, follow-up, or virtual support session. Pick the one that should collect information ahead of time so your team arrives prepared. Inside that service's details, you'll add your Microsoft form link. You have two reliable places to surface it. First, include the form URL in the scheduling policy or the service description so customers see it on the booking page before they confirm. Keep the language clear, like, please complete this short form before booking. Second, add the same link to the confirmation email templates. That way, once the customer schedules, the email they receive includes a direct prompt to complete the form. If you use reminders, mirror that same message so it stays visible leading up to the meeting. The goal is simple. Make the link easy to spot and the ask easy to complete. Finally, tailor your Microsoft form so it captures exactly what you need. You can add multiple questions, text, multiple choice, ratings, or dates, and mark key items as required to prevent missing details. Keep it concise. Most teams find 5 to 8 focused questions work best for completion rates. Use short descriptions to clarify what you're asking, and group related questions together so it reads naturally. If different appointment types need different context, create a separate form per service to keep submissions clean. And if privacy matters, avoid sensitive data unless it's essential, and align your form settings with your organization's policies. That's it. By placing your Microsoft form link in the service details and email communications, you'll consistently collect the right information before every virtual appointment, saving time and improving the experience for you and your customers.